When you're building relationships with individuals at a conference, networking event, or information session, a key element is being considerate of others and letting those around you have an opportunity to speak with someone as well, as if the other person wants to leave. With this, during the conversation, be mindful of someone's verbal and nonverbal communication to know when to end a conversation. Here are 3 ways to gracefully wrap up a chat, with or without a follow-up. 1. I really enjoyed our conversation. By any chance, do you have a business card and/or can I connect with you on LinkedIn? 2. It was so nice to meet you. I'll leave you to chat with other people. 3. It was a pleasure speaking with you. I'm going to excuse myself as I want to grab a cup of water, but if I don't run into you later, would it be okay to connect with you on LinkedIn? If you plan on following up with the person, jot down a few key things the 2 of you spoke about on your phone or notebook that you can refer to in your message or email. For more information or further tips and tricks, visit us at the Career and Co-op Center. Feel free to attend one of our many workshops or even make a one-to-one appointment with our consultants.